What is sketch? Sketching is a rough type drawing. It is the process of using a pencil, marker, pen, or any writing techniques to create a quick rough drawing. A sketch is an incomplete drawing of an image. A sketch represents a design idea. A sketch helps artists capture their ideas, observation, and thought into a design. Thank you.